How to make your wallet private on Coinbase. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your Coinbase wallet private in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to Coinbase. As you can see, this is my wallet. Now you go down below to this settings, but the settings icon, and then click on profile here. As you can see, now you can make your profile private from here. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.